Hello and welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 9. We're page 209 in our 5th grade math books. This is called Place the First Digit. So it says a 3-digit dividend may not have enough hundreds to divide. If so, the quotient should start at the next place value position. And I'm going to tell you what that means. Example 1. Raven received 135 emails over 3 weeks. If she received the same number of emails each week, how many emails did she receive in the first week? So estimate, this is just to kind of check our work. 150 divided by 3 is going to be 50. So number 1. So we always divide into the hundreds. And we have to remember, it says how many times can 3 go into 1? Well, if I have 1 dot, how many times can 3 fit in that? If that's confusing, that's because it is. 3 cannot fit inside 1 dot. So what I always like to do, just to help me out, is 3 goes into 1 0 times. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to the 3, but I'm not going to just leave the 1 alone. I'm going to work with the 13. So how many times does 3 go into 13? Well, 3 goes into 13 4 times. And then 4 times 3 equals 12. So now that I have 12, now since I'm still working with 13, I'm going to subtract 13 minus 12, and that's going to equal 1. I'm going to have my notes here. So we just subtracted, so now we're going to bring down the 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So 5 times 13, I cannot talk. 5 times 3 equals 15. So 15 minus 15 equals 0. Since we can no longer bring down any more numbers, that is our remainder, which we can just leave as nothing, no remainder. So Raven received 45 emails in the first week, and 45 is close to 50. Example 2, 6,784 divided by 7. So we're going to estimate, answer should be close to 1,000. So like last time, 7 cannot fit into 6. So 7 goes into 6 0 times. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. So now I'm going to move on to my 67. 7 goes into 67 9 times. I'm going to multiply. 9 times 7 equals 63. 67 minus 63 is 4. Bring down the 8 and repeat. 7 goes into 48. That's going to be 6 times. And I'm going to get the answer 42. Subtract. 48 minus 42 equals 6. And I could bring down the 4, so I'm going to repeat. 7 goes into 64. Is that going to be 9 times again? Yep. 9 times. 9 times 7. We already did that. 63 minus 1. I can no longer bring down, so it's going to be my remainder. 969 remainder 1. And that's pretty close to 1,000. Is close to 1,000. So yes, that works. So go ahead and try number 1 and number 2. So I did number 1 for us. 5 goes into 4 0 times. So I'm going to check how many times 5 goes into 43. 5 goes into 43 8 times. 8 times 5 equals 40. So we divided. Now we're multiplying. Subtract, bring down, and repeat. Subtract. The 43 minus 40 equals 3. Bring down the 5. We have 35. 5 goes into 35 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. You subtract it, we get 0. So number 2. 8. What did I do? 8 cannot divide into 6, so I always say 0. 8 divides into 62 though, 7 times. 7 times 8 equals 56. We're going to subtract that to equal 6. 8 goes into 69 8 times. 8 times 8 equals 64. We are no longer bringing down, so that's going to be a remainder. So pretty similar to what we have been doing, is just we just have to remember the beginning part. 5 cannot fit into 4, 8 cannot fit into 6. But that is the end of the notes, so thank you for watching.